Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Scorpion underscore Queen TV, where we talk about all sorts, politics, drama, comedy, any little thing we are going, I hit we are talk about. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe and check out other videos on the channel to see what is it that we're really doing. Let me check the camera. Check out the type of video that we are doing. Today, the topic of today is gonna be, obviously, we're gonna be talking about, we're going to Jamaica and TikTok, and the topic of today is gonna be, of course, Annie, because people keep at Annie say after Zoe X tape come out, SEX tape, and she's 14, 15. After her tape came out, the mom came and the mom said, that is Annie I'm talking. The mom said that she has taken Zoe to CDA. So for all those who don't know what CDA is it's a child protective service in Jamaica. They are responsible for kids. So according to Annie come on a ball and say child protective services took Zoe. But Annie really think like me, I said, I don't understand when people are quite thick. They really believe or they assume that they can trick other people. Like, it's like they keep fooling themselves that they can trick other people. Now Annie said she carry Zoe got CDA and I come back and everybody come back and a ball, then text Zoe, then text. But if how you mean then text Zoe and you say you carry Zoe got CDA? And then again you come back and you say you ask people what you have to do next and what wouldn't that service provide you're gonna give your child to someone. Of course they're gonna give you information on what to do next, the next step or whatever. So why you wouldn't come on social media and behave as if to say right now everybody believes it Annie not carry Zoe no CDA and they just have our kids, them all our 3 kids. Then you have Mika, you have not 3 kids, she have about 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. But the 3 girls, she have 1 daughter that was not raised by her. But the 3 daughters that were raised by her, them come out to no good. Like, yeah, their life really get messed up, and not just that, the son life. But because Annie have a trailer load of man come in and out. As a mother, your children, they look to you as superhero, you know. Them things, everybody believes that their mother perfect, you know. We don't know, so we're not perfect. But guess why children believe that their mother perfect? We do not do certain things in front of our kids. We are going away, and we are going about with business, and we're gonna do what it is that we want to do. But if we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 man a year time a change, and you have daughters growing up, you're in one room, them are here when you are your business, you are here when them are, like the whole thing is just so disgusting. And now Annie come out and say she carry Zoe got CDA. And she expect like normal people, like she expect normal people to behave. Now I'm gonna show you a clip of one of Annie's daughter. This one is called Anna. Hear what Anna has to say about her mom.
She never did want to do it, and see Omega humble brother. And she do it because she love her mother. She do it because she love her mother, bad man. You get me? What do you mean by? You can't make your daughter go to somebody else like that. Your young bikini, knowing where people gonna come out, talk about her, say.
Yeah, the first I just watch her just social talking. She never really send an out of context over the study. She just say,
Mommy need to blame herself.
No, I mean I say, Joe, me and I go at it and then me and you go at it, bro. That just it to me.
That's for sure you say. If me and you go at it, and me I go suppose me pack me bag and go down there now. Cause today me say me I go look for her. Me need my mother's comfort. Me need for can talk to my mother. Me need for can go around my mother when me feel like say me don't want them around this man. Me can't do that because by the end of the day you go slump on the internet, you gonna go try and bring me down.
No,
for what?
Coco, when me I try to show her, say, regardless, just
so the same way Zoe I go want to come to you and talk to you as a mother, but she can't do it because at the end of the day she do it now. You go come build one YouTube video upon her. You know she said it's silent to do what she had said because she knows you don't love her, you don't care. thing you care about are yourself.
That's what it is. That is very sad for your children to be thinking that way. But here you dancing in the background. And Anata, you can't remember that way. And she named Anna. And the mother named Annie.
I try to change up my folly grounds. I try to change up myself
Yes,
because
girl, change up your folly grounds.
I have a girl picking it. I have a girl child. So anything can happen to me.
True.
Good morning, Mama Jazz. But more while, brother, you fi turn to your Bible. Pray
Tell her if you do, Anna, because sometimes we as parents, we don't know everything, you know. But your kids might tell you exactly where you're going wrong. But for some reason, Anna refuses to believe, and it done, she done.
More than what she get bullied.
But as a mother, you come out and talk about your girl get shot.
God church. Pray to God. People I water depart you.
And also the mother exposed people in and see karma come back and it reach her daughter in a space of no time. I'm not saying what obviously what they did to Zoe, that is not right. That not right, none tall. But because the mom, why? Because the mom, this is the child we are talking about. That when they have her adopa, whatever it is she do. Why? I understand why would Zoe do it and Zoe no one say?
She did do it. I know.
It is just so sad how Annie behave, and I know and Annie come per line and Annie ball. So this is where Annie come and say, see there have Zoe. And not go say no. Not go so. So according to the star, this is what the star has to say. Now go flip it so we can read it when I edit the video. So you can read it. When I edit the video, I'm gonna flip it around so you guys can see. So Annie come and make this whole heap of nice about this, that. Why, oh boy, this situation, it's just so sad. And oh boy. So I can't. So look at this one. Someone sent this in to Pinkwall about Annie and her situation. Because people know things and people are going to talk. So this person said, yesterday I was contacted by someone who says he knows the young man involved in the Zoe and Annie situation. According to this individual, the young man went to Annie's house with a friend, so Annie knew of him. He's also claiming that he and Zoe communicated privately through her mother's phone because Zoe did not have a phone of her own. So Annie not search her phone when Zoe use it. As a little pitney, you know, so your pitney have money, you know all of these things. But Annie, you feel your pitney them bad. Me not, all of us humans, all of we have fault. And all of us drop short. And I can tell you, say, me make my fair share of mistakes with my kids. But when it come on to sexual exploitation and abuse, me not do them something there with my children them. No, me never did do that. According to the individual, the young man went to Annie's house with a friend, so Annie knew of him. He's also claiming that he and Zoe, we read that bit, communicated through Annie's phone. He further claims that Zoe's sister knew about him. That's Mika he will be talking of. The rumor circulating that Annie asked for 50 grand is also allegedly a lie. According to his friend, that never happened. The only money situation occurred when he realized that he did not have any cash, so they lent him money to get back to Kingston from Mandeville, and he later transferred the money back to them. So the guy was staying at Annie yard. When Annie come out, Annie said she see the little boy at her gate. And she said, little boy, what you do here? And she running back home to his mother at Kingston. And he like, you know, Jesus God. Wow. The person who contacted me said he does not support what the young man has done and that they intend to turn him over to the JCF this morning. He wanted me to contact Annie on his behalf, but I told him clearly that Annie and I have no contact. He is also saying that the young man sent the video to a blog and was paid for it. Sending out that video is distribution and he should face every consequence. Of course, If you decide to you're not gonna do, because all of us was once young, and when it's a lucky thing, so no video camera never out in a full time, because never would have job catch up. Me not think, me wouldn't get catch out, because me never used to do nothing like them sitting there. Me did have one boyfriend from me at 14 until me at 18, right across the road from me. And I just, one man, yeah. But, Jaja, let me finish reading it, I say. So, if you might distribute it, then I understand the line, like, you cannot distribute pornography and them something there, especially underage. You can't them something a picnic thing. And all of those children, all of those people who talk about them want to see video, want to see what? Why would you want to see a child in a compromising position? Like, that is just so stupid. As much as I blame Annie for a lot of things, but wanting to see a child, then Miss Rasta, I have to include this in it. One big thirsty looking ugly look like somebody who not live nowhere, who not have nothing about him. Because I have quite a few men that came out. I think I have 2 of them on recording, or maybe one. One with one bleach out TikToker, we say nah take back in talk and he nah apologize because of 9-day talk. We don't say we don't know say a pedophile people. They mean say he watched the video 3 times. When he first came out, he said he watched the way how the video good, he watched it 3 times. Then he come back and not say him not even what, like if people don't remember what them say, are them just hey, show me can't bother. There is absolutely no excuse for distributing that video. He should learn the biggest lesson in his life. Yes, there is no excuse for him to be So remember say Annie put our children them online. Is not people. It's not like Annie protect our kids and I try to keep them away from social media. She's the one who keep them online. So that's why people say she's selling them. Now look at Zoe. Look at this is who we are talking about.
April, from in April, March then time there, it ended up that said me get shot by the person who I was with. But me not really come out here.
But my camera cut off and me never know the camera cut off. So all the story me that tell a while ago, I was gonna chop it, but I can't tell the story now. Me say me as a big woman, me never catch nothing yet. Because then sitting just crying, me no want nothing crying. Like me no mind me I think say, oh me no want them sit there inside and me not cover up and but Zoe then no business. Zoe just come out and say me did get shot and you can see her vocabulary really very, very poor. You can see them people are thick. Me sorry for them. Sorry, Annie pit them. But Annie, you feel like me confused. Annie, you make me confused because you get almost 10 chance with the kids them. You feel the first couple, and the little last one. See, Mika 19. I say she a big woman. 19. Well, I mean, she reach the age of adulthood or what have you, but really your brain don't develop until you reach 25 years old. I didn't know them something because. Alright, I'm not going to talk about Mika because I have my baby when I'm 19, but my mentality never still like for them. I never live in my mother's yard. No. I never live, and I like to live with no man like that. I didn't live with my baby father family like, it's just like a family setting, isn't it? But let's continue for here where Mika, I said because I don't know, not Mika, Zoe, because I don't know why Annie.
Zoe come up. Me and that person is not talking anymore. The day that I found out that I got shot by them, and when I found out that we're going to get clean, we're going to go to my clinic and get clean. My mother never knew. And because my mother never knew, I have to call somebody because the clinic said to call a guardian person. I call Moses, my sister alone. I must call. So I call my sister Mika. So in that, I get clean. And the antibiotics that I show is me get 4.
So this is when this is when she have an older brother named Jagger. The older brother has a traffic, you know you have something in some family, you have the older siblings and my traffic discipline the younger one, but the mother now have it. So her brother was trying to discipline her, but her mother wasn't having it. So it's like Jagger realized that this child is going down a very slippery slope and she go down it very fast. So Jagger, whether you agree or you disagree, he decided that the right thing for him to do was to send it out the public so that's people, because Annie come and Annie's Annie pretend, Annie push everything under the rug, and Annie own up to a lot of things. So maybe Jagger thinks that the only way he can do this is to expose her so that the little girl can get her help. Alright, here.
And some in a paper bag and some other things, some other medication. That said, we take all the medication them and me clean, and I am perfectly clean and fine now. My medication, me put them underneath my bed and the bottles, I put
So the little girl said when she catch the gun in the baggie, it was not the person who the ex-tape come out with. So Annie knows that the child is sexually active for a longer time and Annie not do nothing. Like Annie, according to the older siblings, them Annie uphold the little pitney and smoke and know that she have boyfriend and know she has sex and all these things. So what you expect now, Annie?
Behind me, Louis and Buckle. I not hide it, but it's something private, so I put up them there far away. And it ended up that said one day, Mommy and Alex gone to the river and me and Mika supposed to go to Mandeville. So now, before we left out, and when Mika forgot to go up, so she said she had turned back. That said, way back, like, from April, March, then time there.
So in April, March, then time there. Look at Pitney have sex long time, man.
That's it. They get shot by the person who I was with. So then they far away. And
it is so, it's just disturbing, like all these things. Here, Anna, here, this is a little clip with Annie and what her doctor them explained to her how she behaved as her mother.
If you cut me.
I never said me to add your brother. Hi, Crystal.
One in time, honey. Yeah, please.
Anna. Yeah. If me hear you. Yeah, me hear you.
Freeze.
You see you. Anything you say about your sister, me can't take it.
Yeah.
You hear me tell you, I tell the truth from my heart. When you see for this time to hear Redans come out and I can't talk about me Zoe. Me don't want you nothing from Redans. I'm telling you your face. And I love you. But I choose this.
Are you arrogant?
Are
you arrogant?
Listen to me. Arrogant. I live in your face. Only call your mother. Only call your big so stinking mother.
Are you done?
You're not right. You never did like me pity them from the beginning. You never put all them. You even come around them and see them like them and no. Brothers only call your big mother. Are you done?
Daniel.
Are she done? So she calling her. Listen
Are
to me.
she done?
Are she done?
Jesus Christ, man.
She done. So
Single or plural?
So she call and ask me bail her if she get locked up for last night.
Jesus Christ.
Eh?
You know,
She call and ask me bail her
Daniel.
if she get locked up last night. Are you feel like you have somebody?
Give me a minute.
Disrespect you.
Give me a minute.
Are you done?
Give me a minute. I can't even find the button.
She done.
This is just so,
Daniel.
every side is messed up on every side, you know.
You don't know if it's keep quiet with them.
So this is Annie daughter and her son-in-law. Everybody just this, everybody, you know.
I see your cousin one but I said no when they're ready this to that. So you put somebody if she done. That's not for doing nothing.
Okay. Go play life.
Yeah, laugh for funny.
It's funny.
It's not.
It is.
You don't respect me for me the fan. Because
No, sir. Them people here is them have a different caliber. Really bad. And it just we are pretty than I say. But Zoe.
I got the whole of the so Annie. You know no job. You know no aspiration. You fuck for your 10. I got the whole of the little girl pitney them. You about 9 pitney Annie. You walk and change man like any little blood clot girl will sell pussy a back road.
But remember say Annie was a
Lady,
prostitute.
you have over 3 different sex tape with 3 different blood clot man.
That disgusting, eh?
You stand for nothing
Yes,
on this internet. You fuck Yankee, you fuck this here one here. Your pussy is the root of your evil. Right? You the most nonsense, non-progressive element on this internet. What the fuck you come about? Did you make any headway to give your children anything to look up to?
She never make no headway pretty done.
Nasty dunce girl.
She never make no headway pretty done.
Kids them anything to fucking look up to.
She never do it.
You atrocious as a human.
Atrocious.
Did you give your daughter them nothing for bumbuckler look up to?
She never do
That's
nothing
why
like
me
that.
tell you, careful of who you give the daughter them on the earth.
Achoo, man.
That dirty mama, you're one of the mama that way in the community will sell her daughter them. Your pussy done so
And this most people think this way about Annie because I just
I know two of you wanna and three of you, who no fuck and get them one wally palica girl pick me at the cell.
There we go.
Like blood clot black market. You is a non-ambitious, dirty woman who come on the internet and
May I
do
grow?
the most atrocity while raising me a little young girl. And then you come on the internet and so okay, so everything is you. So we there in the background as a backup singer. I like when I back up on the one a blood clot, nigga. What the fuck when I ball for? So when me look on you on the tape, girl, you were smiling for the camera. You toot up the pussy in the ear, man. The way how you show me cock down in a future. And look up on the camera. You had the cock down in your esophagus.
That God.
In your bumbo clot esophagus. And I look up on tape.
I wouldn't want pretty damn cuss me at all.
Because you're full of style.
Lord.
Not even your mother not so good, so. And your mother whole infidel.
Lord Jesus.
Your mother whole breast man.
No, sir. You have to take bad thing, make law. No, this are the little, this are the Here how this great tone man, you know.
Enjoy you watch the video still, you know, because I don't expect that, you know. To say, alright, then me I go see so we on phone, you know. I carry on, no shit, I carry on, you know.
Him say enjoy. Him say watch it 3 times. 3 times for repeating, say watch it.
Jesus Christ. TikTok boss, you a foul person, bro.
Them are wicked.
Expected this for your dog. God no, bro. You a foul TikTok boss. I roughly have 2 to 3 kids, 3 daughter, bro. I've heard this come out of your mouth, bro. Oh, you don't feel if somebody said that about your daughter. If your daughter did expose, how you don't feel?
God,
Like, come on, that not look good, dog. That not look good, bro. You see me, if you know, say, oh, he has a bigger person over the dog, I say them thing, your dog. Like,
true.
come on, and as me say,
Me glad you have the man them where you draw them up. Because this just bring out
Jesus
the
Christ,
type of
TikTok
people
boss,
them who get rid of out of our society.
Lose her for you, fuck. Like, this not look good, this not sound good, dog. I fuck her that you say out your mouth, dog, but you never say nothing.
I'm sure. Actually, we better never say nothing because this kind of video just come and just show with the pedo them. Here somebody else is giving them excuse.
So we are picnic, I'm in a ramp with picnic. You see me? A little
Decent
girl,
people
like,
at all.
16 or whatsoever, she a little picnic. You see me?
This is when sensible
And I'm
people
not
at all.
worried about the least thing right now about she going back to school September morning. Not worry if she ever get trouble. A different time and age we are living here now. Them a little picnic and know and use the whole heap of things more than what only bigger people know about. So now worry about the least thing. The only need to worry about are that blood clean yard with the whole of them people they living there, bro.
That's true.
Everybody need to come out of the yard there, just blow up the yard them.
Not true.
Blow up. This woman now named Annie, boy, I never pick up myself and come really talk about this woman. I see this bagger things are going on the media. But this really, I get me feel like that woman here, she walk with some form of spell, bro. And whatsoever I rub off a she, I rub off on her you, them and them thing there, bro. And you need to go really seek some spiritual help, brother. And then a joke thing, bro. And then a gimmicks, bro. She need to go seek spiritual help. So all of see them things happen now on a surprise and never expect them things from bro.
No man, nobody no surprise. We not any them crew, nothing but no surprise.
I used to all of the man them way come there with her for piece of the cloth and little piece of money too, bro. Una wicked to dog. Una wicked. And then they need to go seek spiritual help too, bro. Because no way you can see a female stay in this condition, bro. And really take up yourself with her for money likes or whatsoever, dog. That means that someone
they do anything.
They
They do anything
because
for
this
money.
woman, you can see that this woman has get spiritual attack, bro. I mean, I tell you, on the go around the woman and do all type of things, bro. And then the woman make on a video her, and then in the leaky video them, and all different type of things, you know, bring on the picnic them. Before they try go around her and try guide her youth them and try help them, bro. The whole entire family needs spiritual help, brother. And then a joke thing, bro. And every time look a fucker go on with them come on social media, them ball. Away from me, I grow, I'm always here.
Wicked people
cry
ball.
the most. Them easy for cry, bro.
True.
Wicked
So me
people,
always here too.
easy for cry, brother. That's why I'm not frightened for crocodile tears. Frightened for crocodile tears. Me I tell you, bro, the wicked people ball the easiest and ball the most.
I'm sure.
So every time as a fucker go on, when you come on social media and you ball and look sorry for and want to get some gift on them thing, them more me if you wonder if you do them thing if you get gift to free.
Them do it.
And get
Them do it.
attention.
Forget. Of course, them do it.
Because no, we
That's
only
what
can do
people
them thing
say.
back to back. The whole from mother to daughter.